Each journey we make starts with just one step. The path you choose may have been explored before or is completely new. But it always starts with you. The direction, the pace, the companions, the race is a choice for you to make to excel and ace. You have the power to change your life with the choices you make, to choose the people you surround yourself with and the environment you put yourself in. Choices that shape the person you aspire to be, to see the results you want to see, and to be in places you want to be. Choices that allow you to learn from the best, to grow and bloom, from some who have walked a similar path, and some different from you. So make the choice where you can perform, or take up a cause and start a reform, while the world around you can teach, mentor, or give you just a clue. But at the helm of it all, it always starts with you. Goa Institute of Management, where the learning never stops.